Good morning, buddy. Okay, so, happy Saturday to everyone. Alam niyo, totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung magiging masaya ba ako o malulungkot ako the entire weekend kasi, oh my God, I'm dreading. Paano ba naman hindi ko i-dread? Te, eto na lang talaga yung pera ko. Paabutin ko to hanggang sweldo? Shit. Let's see. Baka magawa ko. Nakakainis. 200 na. Sa totoo lang, I've experienced far worse. Okay? There was one time, nasa training pa ako noon. 20 pesos na naman ang wallet ko. And I was like, hindi pa ako sumusweldo sa training noon. Mga siguro 15 days pa bago ako makakuha ng pera. Bago ako sumweldo sa bago kong trabaho. And that was like the first account I was in my current company. And I was so thankful. Sabi ko, Lord, thank you for giving me feet that I can use para makapunta at makauwi. Bakit kahit 20 pesos na lang yung pera ko, thankful pa rin ako kay Lord? Kasi binigyan niya pa rin ako ng means na makapasok. Yung pa ako. Alam mo yun? Kung magmamaktol ako dito at magsasabi ako, fuck, walang mangyari, te. Maglakad tayo, te. Scotty, ganun talaga ang life. At okay lang mairita, magalit, mabwisit, na wala ka ng pera. Actually, you still have money. Hindi lang siya yung money or the amount of money you want, but you still have money. Alam mo yun, still be thankful at the end of the day. Like ako, kahit 200 to, okay lang, masaya ako. Thank you. Aminado ang gagaling to sa isang taong admittedly masama ugali. Oo, masama talaga ugali ko. Alam mo yun, aminado ko. I know that. But I still have 200 pesos. Hey! Para kita pagkakasya hanggang payday. At dahil masama ugali ko, I'll take this opportunity. Kaya yung pera, hindi pa utang, pahingi. Alam mo yun. Para sarap maglagay ng QR code dito. Tapos send me money. Pero joke lang. Joke lang talaga. Promise. Don't, please. Don't send me money. I don't like that. Kaya ako, naging belief ko na rin na minsan pag may nawala sa'yo, okay lang. Alam mo yun. Like, universe, do your thing. Ganun na lang ako. Na parang, if it's meant to come back, it will come back. Mga ganun. Like, pera, opportunities, wag lang tao. Diyos ko, te.